What's up, guys? We're back at the city, and here's to another day of strange looks and random footage. I might just say this place is just amazing. Look at that. That's just... I'm just trying to get water here, bro. I don't know what water is here. It's just... I just like cold... Oh, there. Drinks. Okay. Water. You're gonna have all the drinks in the world, but you just don't have water. Find me water. I think I'll get 1.5 liters from me, and then what's the smaller 1 liter? There you go. And then the smaller 1 liter one for my dad, because whatever. This is getting really heavy now. I just get scared of this. Get scared of that. I get scared of that. I don't know why. It's just, look how big that is. That's freaky. First EB games I've seen that doesn't have advertised sales. I don't normally do this, but once a month, I suppose I can just do fast food. Carl's Jr. is actually really popular in Australia, I suppose. Alright, I'm gonna just go eat this stuff and I'll go record some other stuff later. Peace. What's up, guys? We're at home right now and I just got my haircut. I don't know, I still have to let this sink in. I'm looking at it right now, it's not really that good, but I shaved a little bit of the sides off, and yeah. Right now I'm just gonna be rendering this video real quick. Actually, I should just actually start doing that now. I'm getting scared. Add to render queue. Oops. Actually. So the file name is Q&A, and what are we gonna do with it? And yeah, we're gonna check the frame rates and everything. I'm always so scared doing these. So add to render queue and start the render. So hopefully this turns out well. This is, yeah. Crap, what was that? Okay, I always get scared with these things because like I spent so much time editing this, and like, you know, look how cool I look. So yeah, guys, I think that sort of wraps it up for this video. Ooh. Guys, I think that sort of wraps it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're at it. We're almost close. I really want to hit 750 subs by the end of this year, if not 1,000. So make sure you go subscribe and tell all your friends, because I love friends, you know. Yeah, hit a like if you enjoyed, comment down something below. I'll respond to all comments. And yeah, it's your boy Josh Salvador signing out. Catch you guys later in another video. Peace. No, well, I'm holding my camera right now, so it's not like I can just wheel out of here, you know? So like, this is kind of awkward. Guys, what's up? Just a little word of advice. I forgot to add this in. Never eat fast food if you haven't eaten it in like so long. I've been on this health diet shit, so I haven't eaten fast food in so long, and then I just had it at that day, you know, the day that I filmed this. I ate it, and then like probably 10 minutes later, I just felt the absolute worst. I wanted to vomit. I wanted to like fart. It just didn't mix well, like, you know, because your stomach's not really used to all that heavy food, and then it doesn't really know what to do with it. I swear, I'm not gonna eat fast food. Like, oh my god, I just still remember all the pain I experienced. Like my stomach didn't know what to do with the fast food. So that's why I just remember, if you haven't eaten fast food in so long, I haven't eaten fast food like this whole entire year. So yeah, just remember, take it easy and don't eat like Big Macs and shit. Like, come on. Health, number one priority is your health, okay? Because you gotta take care of this body. It's the only one you ever had, okay? So whatever, that's just a PSA from your boy Josh Salvador, and it's for real, signing out. Peace.